Hey folks, Matt from Dyspatch here. I'm just working on a newsletter for our newest product update, undo, redo, and role-based permissions, and thought I might just do a quick screen share and show you what it looks like. So pretty excited for these ones. They're quick but fun. Added an undo here, so let's say I want to see this email without the little squiggly line. I'll just shift delete it there, get it out, take a look. I don't quite like the way that looks, so I want it back. Go up in here and you can see I can click undo, or I got this handy redo button. And we got keyboard shortcuts here as well for Mac and PC, Control or Command Z and Control Command Shift Z. So boom, Control Z pulls that pick in. And this works for text changes as well. So if you're working in some a block here and maybe like delete all this text by accident, you come out and you're like, whoops, well, you just Control Z and you get it all back. So super cool. Really excited for those. Now this emails look pretty slick, almost ready to send it out. One more feature I wanted to show. Let's take a step back. Maybe you're wondering about undo, redo, and role-based permissions. Hey, how do I find out about all these new features? Well, in Dyspatch, pop over under your name here and come down to release notes. And that's going to pop you over to our release notes page here. You can see we just got this one up for our new role-based permissions. These are allowed at the org level. We've added the new developer account. Developers can work on creating blocks, but they can't necessarily create emails unless you give them access to a workspace, which is super cool. And as well with role-based permissions, it allows the ability for our enterprise customers to actually get custom permissions that's added into their Dyspatch org. So if you can think it up, we can do it with the new role-based permissions. It's really exciting. That's it for today. Thank you very much, and hope you enjoy Dyspatch.